We're now about 3, almost 4 weeks away from the end of 2020, and I think if you're like me, you're probably looking forward to turning the calendar and going on to 2021. But before we do that, I think it's worthwhile to reflect a little bit on 2020, and this has been an incredibly difficult year for everybody. Here at Gifford, I couldn't be prouder of the work that all of our colleagues have done, the way that they've approached their work, how they've gone about taking care of their community and each other throughout the year. And what I want to say to the ambassadors is that they couldn't do this if they did not have the incredible support of our community, and that's you. You are the leaders of our community. You are the people we turn to for support, and you've provided that time and again, whether that's early on providing us with donations of supplies, masks, on and on and on. So you've been there for us, and that has played a large role in our Gifford community being able to continue to be here, to have that strength to continue to go on and do the great work that they're doing. So I want to thank you all for that, and looking forward to continuing our discussions into 2021, hopefully talking about some different things other than COVID-19 at some point. But just wanted to take that opportunity to say thank you for all of your support. Well, we definitely have seen an increase in the community spread of COVID-19, which I know you're all aware. These last couple months have been pretty difficult, and definitely the highest number of cases in our area that we've seen throughout this health crisis. However, we're continuing to do the things and continuing to follow the path that we followed all along. As you know, we started a community-wide surveillance testing program back in May. We are available to do testing for people who are symptomatic, people who are asymptomatic, or people who need clearance for a surgical procedure or other reasons. So we're continuing to do that. Since May, we've been able to do over 8,500 tests here in our community. So that is a very good accomplishment, and we think is something that has helped keep our community healthy. We will continue to advocate for people to follow all the guidelines that are out there, wearing a mask, washing their hands, social distancing. All those things work. We've seen that it works, and we're going to continue to make that a large part of what we're trying to do to keep the community healthy. The other really big news right now is that as I sit here on December 9th, we are likely less than a week away from Pfizer gaining FDA approval for their COVID-19 vaccine. The state has put together a plan to receive and distribute the vaccine out into the communities. Here at Gifford, we believe we will be getting some supply of the vaccine as soon as the middle of next week, and then we'll begin providing vaccinations to our staff here at Gifford, as well as our local EMS organizations and home health organizations. So that is great news, and we think is hopefully the beginning of what will be the end of this crisis portion of the pandemic. That being said, it's going to take a while to get our own staff here at Gifford and other healthcare staff in the community vaccinated, and probably several months before we're able to provide widespread vaccination out in the community. So everyone needs to continue to do all those things to keep themselves healthy, and definitely to continue to follow the guidance coming out of the CDC and coming out of the Vermont's Department of Health and from the governor himself here in the state. Please follow that guidance. It's designed to keep all of us safe, and if we follow that, we'll get out of this crisis much more quickly. Well, this year we were able to continue a tradition here at Gifford, which is our gift certificate program for employees, and through that we're able to express our appreciation for employees for everything they do here at Gifford by providing gift certificates for them. These are redeemable at area businesses throughout the areas where we serve here at Gifford. So not only is it beneficial for our employees, but it also provides an economic benefit to our local businesses. So that's something that we're very happy that we're able to continue to do this year for our employees. We also, this year, here on the main campus here at the hospital, we have put up a holiday tree, and we are providing an opportunity for employees to design or to bring in an ornament to put on that tree. So something we're trying to do to just support our little community here at Gifford and give everybody a little bit of holiday cheer in doing that as well. Obviously, with the pandemic this year, we've done a number of things to try to support employees and make it as palatable as possible for them to do their job with all of the pressures around them as well. And so just in the last couple of weeks, we rolled out a new benefit that'll go at least for the next 6 months, where we're providing some additional time off to people. We're calling that COVID time off for people who just need a day off or whatever because of this health crisis that we're in. So there's a lot going on, and we're hoping that people are able to enjoy the holidays, even if it's a little different this year. So we are doing things a little differently in the Bennett household this year, and like everybody else, we enjoyed Thanksgiving, but this year it was a pleasant dinner for two with myself and Jane, and we weren't able to spend that time with family, but it was nice. Nonetheless, like a lot of other people, we're trying to stay in touch with video meetings. But I think one thing that I'll take out of this year and all that is that appreciation for family and for friends. There's the saying that absence makes the heart grow fonder, and I think that definitely is something that I've experienced this year, and I'm sure a lot of you have as well. So when this thing is all over, I definitely am going to have a greater appreciation for that time that I'm able to spend with family, and as soon as we're able, look to get back together with everyone and maybe spread these holidays out a little longer over the whole year. So that's kind of what we have going on, and I know everybody else is probably doing things a little bit differently, and but I hope that you're able to find joy in that. I hope that in some way you're able to connect with your family and friends and enjoy just a great holiday season. So I want to close out today pretty much where I started by saying thank you again to the ambassadors. I can't say how much we depend on you and everybody in our community to support us here at Gifford, and it means so much to us that you've done that in such a strong way this year. So in closing, I just want to wish you all happy holidays. I want to wish you a very safe and happy and healthy 2021, and I look forward to talking with you again in the new year. Take care, everybody. Thanks.